CNC. First question is, name two components of central nervous system in humans. Two components, brain, brain. And what? Spinal cord. Next, second one, name the sensory receptor found in the nose and on the tongue. Nose, olfactory receptors, and tongue, gustatory receptors. Identify the parts of brain concerned with memory, will, and power. What would be? It would be cerebral hemisphere, okay? And muscular contraction, cerebellum. Name any two types of trophic movement. Any two. Phototropism, geotropism, right? Chemotropism. Anything you can say. Next one, fifth one. Pituitary is also known as master gland. Why? Because pituitary controls all the activity of other glands. That's why it is called master gland. What is reflex arc? The pathway, right? The route which is taken by the nervous impulses in reflex action is called reflex arc. Then how do muscles cell move? They have special protein, okay? Because of that, what will happen? It will change the shape of muscle cells. And in response, what will happen? There will be change in arrangement of cell in response to electrical impulse. Because of this, the muscle cell will contract and relax. This will cause what? Movement. The muscle cell will move. Why does the flow of signal in synapse from axon end of one neuron to dendrite end of another neuron, but not the reverse? Why? Synapses, they will act as one-way valve, one-way door. Because the signal, right, chemical substance, it is present only in one side of the gap. It is absent at the dendrite end. Because of that, this ensures that what the direction, right, the flow of impulse is in only one direction. Next, eighth one, explain how the movement of a leaf of sensitive plant different from movements of the shoots towards light. This movement of the sensitive plant, it happens due to touch, in response to touch, okay? Here, this movement, how does this happen? The plant cell shapes changes. How does this happens? The amount of water will change in the cells, okay? And this movement is what? Is independent of growth, okay? But here, this shoot, the movement of shoot towards light, it is growth dependent, okay? Because the plant will respond to the what? Stimulus, that is sunlight, by growing to that particular direction, okay? Here you will see, right? So auxin will be growing here. Because of that, there will be bending of the stem towards the light. So this movement is growth dependent. That is the difference between the sensitive plant, right? Next, we'll see what are plant hormones. Name the plant hormone responsible for the following. Growth of stem. What is the answer for this one? Growth of stem. Plant hormone, you can say, right? Chemical substance that is produced in the plant. They coordinate for development and response to their environment, okay? Now, growth of stem. Anyone? Gibberellin. Promotion of cell division. Cytokinin. Inhibition of growth. Abscisic acid. It is also known as growth inhibitor. Elongation of cell, auxin. Name the hormone secreted by following endocrine gland and specify one function of each. Thyroid, what is the hormone? Thyroxine. And we have to specify one function. Thyroxine function is, it regulates the metabolism of carbohydrate, fats and protein. Then pituitary, growth hormone. One of the hormones is growth hormone. And what does it do? It regulates growth and development of bones, muscles. Pancreas, insulin. It regulates the blood glucose level. It lowers the blood glucose level, okay? With the help of label diagram, explain the general scheme to illustrate how nervous impulses travel in the body. How does it travel? First, stimulus, right? There must be stimulus. Anything like touch. Then the receptors will perceive the stimulus. Then there will be dendrite, right? Sensory neurons. Electrical impulses or signals will go to the dendrites. Then after that, cell body. And after that, where? Axon. And after axon, synapse. And after that, where? Dendrite of another neuron. Then again, cell body. This will continue, okay? It will go to the various other neurons till it reaches central nervous system. And from there, it will go back to the dendrites of motor neuron. Then it will go to the cell body. Then axon. Then effector. That is muscle cells. This is the pathway of the nerve impulse. Name the hormone which is secreted by adrenal gland. How does this hormone help to deal with scary situation? Gland name? Adrenal gland. What does adrenal gland secrete? Adrenal hormone. In scary situation, in emergency case, what will happen? This hormone will be released in large quantity, which will cause fast beating of the heart, and what will happen? More oxygen will be supplied to the muscle. Okay, the blood supply to the digestive system, skin will be reduced. Okay, all these things, what will happen? Will make the organism, right, persons to deal with the emergency situations.